Welcome to Linux Fundamentals. We will explore two commands today, pwd and cd. At what directory I am currently working in? To know that, we can use the pwd command. Pwd, that is print working directory. So we are currently in the /home/ikram, this directory. If we want to change the directory, suppose we have a directory practices/linux, we can go there using the cd command, that is change directory. If we print the directory again, we get, and here are two special symbol in the directory, that is here a dot represent the current directory, and double dot, this represent the immediate parent directory. We can, so here is the cd command, and if we write the dot, that is the present directory, it will be in the same directory. And if we use the double dot, we will be the immediate parent directory, that is the practices. Here are also a special symbol for the home directory, that is the tilde sign. If we use the cd and the tilde sign, then it will take our into the home directory. Suppose if we want to change the directory again, we can there are another symbol for the home directory, that is $sign and the home. It will also take ourselves into the home directory. So it is all for today. Thank you for watching.